Hi, I'm Jackie Harbin.
I'm Aurelia, and together we own Red Design Interiors. We have an office in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and one in San Antonio, Texas.
And over the years, we have found that most people want to redesign at least one portion of their home. But a lot of the times they don't know where to start, or they dive right in, and then they get completely overwhelmed.
As designers, it's our job to show them the potential of their current home and how it can actually function to support their daily living.
When it comes to working with clients, clear and concise communication is imperative. We have to be able to show you these ideas that we have in our head and put it down on paper.
And the best way to do that is with a material board.
So if you can take an idea that you have in your head, put it into a board and show what a finish would look like next to a rug, would look like next to the sofa and these drapes, and see it all together, that gets the client thinking and going, oh wow, okay, I'm buying into this. I really want to make this happen.
And with our favorite app, Morpholio Board, it makes it extremely easy and simplifies the process and puts all our information into one spot.
That's one of the reasons why we really kind of can't live without Morpholio Board as designers. So let us show you how we use Morpholio Board. Morpholio Board is one of our favorite applications we use when it comes to creating digital material boards because the process is just so streamlined. Whether you want to use a blank board, a custom size, or even use a sample as something to reference, it's really simple. And it's really easy to keep everything organized using different folders. Now, this is a material board that we've been working on for a traditional style home. And it's not quite finished. And I want to show you just how simple it is to add some more items. So I have an accent chair that I want to import. It's saved on my iPad or on my photo stream, but it could also be on your files, like from Box or Dropbox. So you can access pretty much everything here. For us, it's in the library, really easy. Add it, and you'll notice that it has this white background. And I want this to be more of a transparent background, so you're not distracted. You don't have this white space. Morpholio Board makes this very simple. All you have to do, hit the magic eraser button a couple of times and put it where you want it to go. Now, say you have an item, maybe your client sent you a link and you want to import it from there. Paste it, it'll go, and you can clip exactly what you want to show up on your board. Hit that check mark and it'll import it for you. And now your client can see the rug that they liked so much next to the drapes they've already selected. Now, sometimes clients will create Pinterest boards for inspiration, and they want to see how your design works next to what they said they really liked. There's an option for that. So you can go through, find the board that you are looking for, and import that into your board. Adjust, and now your client can see, okay, I see what you're saying. You did listen to me. I do see how this translates. Morpholio Board has a built-in inspiration bank, if you will. So you can come over here and either go by shape, and it'll take what you have last selected as an inspiration and show you pieces that are similar to that, or you can come over by color. So this is your palette up at the top. If you click on that one, it'll give you items such as fabric, other furniture, fixtures, decorative accessories that show you this is similar to what you already have in your color palette. So if you click on them and hit plus, they'll show up down at the bottom, which shows that they are going to be added to your board. And now you have it here. Now you'll see that again, this one has a white background. So simple, all you have to do is hit plus. And you can get more information on anything you select here. It also makes it really easy to change and export the document. So export it as an image. You can export it as an actual Morpholio project. So if you have someone else, like for our case, Aurelia might be working on this one as well and she needs to collaborate, I can send her this and she can adjust things. Or you can export it as a Photoshop document. And for us, that's the most important because everything that you've imported here, all of these layers, will be kept as layers when you open it in Photoshop. So you can do any post-production editing, whether that is adding shadows or maybe adding your branding template. It makes things really simple.